Hi, I'm Marty Beard, the CEO of AlwaysAI. We're a software company completely focused on helping developers build and deploy computer vision applications on the edge. You know, computer vision is a super exciting part of the new AI space. In fact, it's the fastest growing part of AI today. We can already see millions of developers that are highly interested in learning or actively engaged in building computer vision applications. And importantly, we also see that there are over 4 billion edge devices, sensors that are out there in the world ready to take on AI algorithms and specifically computer vision algorithms to help us build new applications and drive new value for consumers and businesses worldwide. I would like to give you an update in this first quarterly update that I'll be doing every 3 or 4 months. And I'm super excited to give you highlights about our product progress, our progress with developers and customers and partners, and also give you some corporate highlights as well. Now let's talk about the product. We've built a software development platform specifically focused on developers and helping developers create computer vision applications and deploy them on edge devices very easy and very affordably. That is exactly the mission of AlwaysAI, and that's what we've done. There are 3 key components of our platform. Let me walk through them. Number 1, we have a model catalog. This has now about 60 pre-trained computer vision models that we think meet about 80% of that core starting point that all developers want to go to when they're creating computer vision applications. But we've gone one step further. We've also created today about a dozen starter applications that take some of those models and combine it with key computer vision functionality like object detection, like pose estimation, and we make a starter application that is ready to go. So you, the developer, can start iterating, prototyping, and deploying as quickly as possible. So we've got the models and the starter applications. That's the first part. The second part is we have a Python library of APIs that are there for the developer to help them customize and optimize the application to do exactly what they want to do. And this is a very rich set of APIs that we are adding to on a weekly basis. And again, it's all about helping you, the developer, customize your application and get it ready for deployment. So that's the second part. The third part of our platform are the edge devices themselves. It's us optimizing the software, optimizing that application that you built for ARM-based edge devices. Those 4 billion sensors and devices that I mentioned earlier. This is the exciting part. This is getting your application live and working out on the edge and doing what you need it to do. Those are the 3 parts of the AlwaysAI platform. So let me give you a bit more detail on what you can do with the AlwaysAI platform. We support all core computer vision applications. So this includes things like image classification, object detection, object tracking and counting. We also support semantic segmentation, which is a super interesting new space used pretty heavily in transportation applications and others, but also pose estimation, which is another fascinating area that gets into human body movement and object movement, and just a huge array of new applications that people are working through in those spaces. So we offer all those core computer vision services, and again, we continue to add more and more of those every quarter. And that's something that we will always provide the developer so they don't have to worry about all the underlying complexity. They just come to AlwaysAI and know that we're ahead of them and we're already making that easy. So those are the 3 components of the AlwaysAI platform, which is now available natively on your Linux machine, on your Mac, or on your Windows PC. And as I mentioned, available on a growing list of ARM-based edge sensors and edge devices. This platform came out of beta in January of this year and is now live and open for everybody, for all developers. So come and check it out. Now let me tell you about some of the partnerships that we've been engaged in. It's been great to work with the computer vision ecosystem so closely and watch this industry just take off. We've had the good fortune of being able to partner with Qualcomm in the robotics space, being able to work with NVIDIA around their Jetson family of products, also partnering with ARM around, of course, their cortex of edge chips and which fuel these edge devices, and with the company Balena, which is a great company for doing fleet deployment out to many IoT or edge devices. In addition, we've been able to support the Twilio messaging platform. This allows the developer to incorporate things like SMS or voice into their computer vision application. So we've been very busy, and again, it's been fantastic to be able to work with so many great companies as we push this industry forward. In addition, we recently completed a cost analysis, a white paper, which is available for download on our website, that really gets into showing how edge deployment of computer vision is so much more affordable by huge magnitudes over cloud deployment of computer vision. The difference there really being inference happening on the edge versus inference happening in the cloud. And through our analysis, we've seen that developers can save up to 12 times the cost of deploying on edge versus the cloud. In addition, using a platform like AlwaysAI allows companies to save the money that they might have spent on hiring an outside consulting firm to build a computer vision application, or to hire what are increasingly scarce computer vision developers that are ready to go now. So again, you don't need to invest that much in either the consulting or the in-house hires. You can use a platform like AlwaysAI to get going very quickly and affordably. So what's next for AlwaysAI? Over the next quarter, we're going to be heads down on continuing to push forward our product roadmap. And this includes capabilities for what we call projects in teams, helping people to collaborate together, share models, share projects, and do that very easily through the AlwaysAI workflow. In addition, we are working hard on model retraining services, and we'll be excited to put out a beta version of that relatively soon. Again, this will help developers optimize the models for exactly what they need to do. In addition, we'll be implementing and offering subscriptions, which will be available in July, and that pricing is now available for people to look at on our website. So lots is going on. We're super excited to be in this space. Thank you for spending the time to hear our quarterly update, and I look forward to giving you another update in 3 or 4 months. Thank you very much.